All right, let's cut right to it. We are in the middle of an AI gold rush. This is an urgent briefing on what is, without a doubt, the single biggest investment opportunity of our generation. And no, that's not hype, that's just the reality we're living in now. You know, missing out on this is like seeing Bitcoin at $1 and just walking away. The stakes are incredibly high, and this isn't something that's coming, it's already here. And if you want to understand the sheer scale of this thing, look at this number, $15 trillion. That's the projected size of the AI market by 2030. We're not talking about another tech trend. We are talking about a complete and total reset of the global economy. But with any gold rush this big, there's what we call a fog of war. There's so much hype, so many headlines, just constant noise. And most investors, they're lost in it. They're chasing the shiny objects, the gold, the latest flashy AI app. But the smart money, they play a totally different game. It's called the picks and shovels strategy, and it's brilliant. It comes straight from the 1849 gold rush. Think about it. You don't waste your time betting on which single miner is going to strike it rich. No way. Instead, you invest in the companies selling the essential tools, the picks, the shovels, the infrastructure that every single miner out there absolutely has to buy. That, right there, is how you play it smart. So the big question is, how do we find these picks and shovels companies? Well, here's the secret. You ignore the news. You ignore the hype. In this fog of war, there is only one thing you can trust, one signal that tells the truth: the charts themselves. Price action, that is the only truth. Why? Because the charts show you exactly what the big institutions, what we call the smart money, are doing. They can't hide their moves. It's like leaving footprints in the sand. We can literally see the clues on the chart as they start buying up massive positions, way before any good news hits the headlines and the public comes rushing in. Okay, enough theory, let's put this into practice. Our first case study is the perfect example of a shovel provider. I'm talking about the undisputed king of AI infrastructure, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is the gold standard. Simple as that. They make the high-performance chips that are the literal bedrock of this entire AI revolution. They are the #1 shovel provider in this whole gold rush. Everybody, and I mean everybody, needs what they sell. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Look at the clue they left on the chart. This pattern right here. It's called an inverse head and shoulders, and it's a classic signature of institutional buying. See how it forms 3 dips, with the one in the middle being the lowest? It looks like a head between 2 shoulders. Spotting this pattern told us exactly where the big money was loading up on shares, right before the stock went on that massive run. That wasn't luck, that was just reading the signs. All right, next up, an absolute titan of infrastructure that completely rewrote the rules of the game. Let's talk about Microsoft. They didn't just decide to play in the AI space. Their moves created a tidal wave. So remember when Microsoft dropped that $10 billion investment in OpenAI? The headlines went crazy. But for us, the real confirmation, the real signal was right there on the chart. It's called a double bottom formation. The price hits a low point, bounces, and then hits it again without going lower. That told us the stock had found a rock-solid floor. That technical trigger, plus the huge news, was a screaming buy signal for a major move up. Now for a company that a lot of people just don't get when it comes to AI, Tesla. And let's be clear, Tesla is not a car company. At its heart, it's a data infrastructure company. Here's what you have to understand. Tesla has the largest real-world driving data set on the entire planet. That data is the fuel. It's the backbone for their self-driving AI. And once they perfect it, the potential to license that tech out to every other car maker is, well, it's astronomical. They're building a data shovel that could be worth trillions. And this picks and shovels strategy works across the board. Look at Alphabet using AI to defend its search kingdom, or Adobe building generative AI right into its tools for creators. Every single one of these is a potential infrastructure powerhouse. The key is to use that same discipline analysis to find the institutional footprints on their charts. Okay, but this is so important. This is the critical turning point. Just identifying these giant companies, that's only step 1. The million-dollar question, or maybe the trillion-dollar question, is this: how do you time it right? How do you get in? And more importantly, how do you avoid being the last one left holding the bag when the party's over? This right here, this shows you the whole game. The smart money, they buy when it's quiet. They buy when nobody's looking. They build the wave. Then, the hype machine kicks in, the headlines go wild, And the retail crowd, the average investor, piles in right at the top. They become the exit door for the institutions to cash out their huge profits. It's a brutal cycle, and it happens over and over again. Let me be crystal clear about this. You cannot just blindly jump into these stocks, even the best ones. The difference between making life-changing money and getting completely wiped out boils down to one simple thing: knowing your exact entry and exit points. So you really have a choice to make. You can keep being the retail trader who gets pushed around by the headlines, the one who buys high so the big institutions can sell, or you can learn how to read their playbook, how to see their moves on the charts, and how to ride their wave to profits. If you're ready to stop gambling and start operating with a real strategy with precision, then your next step is to get the full intelligence briefing. Head on over to the Viking Trading Skole website to get it. Because when you boil it all down, it really comes to this. In this new economy, AI is either going to work for you or it's going to be used to take advantage of you. The choice is yours.